Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be making breaded steak and show you my step-by-step. So I take the 3 big ones and cut them down. Next I season it and have it marinating in the seasonings overnight and cook them the next day. So good. Here it is the next day. Oil, my eggs. So what I do is I mix flour with the Italian breadcrumbs. After I dip my steaks in the egg, I would dip it in my mixture and then put it in my oil. Oh, and don't forget to have your oil heating. Baby Bug's plate. She actually ate everything by my surprise. Next I'll make lemon possets. I don't know why I have the lemon juice. I didn't even use it. So you're going to take the whole inside out in the bowl. 2/3 of sugar, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. You start with the flame on high, get all the sugar to mix in with the heavy cream, and then when it starts to bubble, you're going to reduce it and keep stirring as you reduce the heat after it bubbles for 5 minutes. Next we are going to be straining in our fresh lemon juice. So now you let it sit in the molding for 3 hours, or I did it overnight, and I put on top some raspberries because my kids love raspberries. My kids trying it out the next day. Do you like it? Is it too lemon for you?
It just tastes like lemon.
It tastes like lemon. Aurora, come Bugs, come eat. Okay. Nummy. Nummy, nummy, nummy. Sunlight. Achoo. Look at that. That's good? And yummy? Yeah?